The mitigation of non-CO2 and other greenhouse gases is a topic that is talked about all over the globe and is the center of discussion when it comes to reversing climate change. For the sake of this assignment, I'll be using Paris as my pin because of the famous Paris Agreement, but the issue is affecting the entire globe. Areas all over the globe are threatened by the increase of the gases in the atmosphere. These gases leave areas threatened by major storms, flooding, and variability of precipitation, drought, heat waves, etc. Areas all over the globe are vulnerable to these gases because every country on Earth gives off some form of gas that is contributing to our current climate change. The future environmental change, as we have learned in our modules, is not looking bright if we do not start to make some drastic changes. Emissions will only continue to increase, as stated in the article, Perspectives on Climate Change Mitigation, if we emit no more than approximately 230 GTC may be emitted in the future to remain under this temperature threshold. Mitigation seems to be a reasonable way to combat the issue according to the article. The article states that one study found that, even at the regional scale, heat waves would already be significantly more severe by 2030 in a non-mitigation scenario compared to a moderate mitigation scenario. For humans, they would benefit from increased product quality and increased production, lower maintenance costs, improved air quality, less frequent heat waves, and the list goes on. Gases in the atmosphere are the number one cause of climate change, and to address climate change, we must address gas emissions.